We wanted to create what would be a go-to litigation firm.
We wanted to focus on the things that we do well, trial work, and grow our firm in that way.
We both got really passionate about the discussion and about the dream of bringing this together.
The second part was finding people who were both skillful and hungry.
We're looking for people who have winning attitudes. That's an intangible, but it's like catching lightning in a bottle.
Winning is what we're hired to do.
You're going to get the best settlement if you're prepared to win at trial. It forces the number up if you're the plaintiff or the number down if you're the defendant.
Getting the win is what matters because that's what the clients demand. That's why they come to us, and that's why they'll continue to come to us.
Run through the new cases.
Every Monday morning at 8 a.m. we have what we call a case review, and all the lawyers gather. It's a command performance. We're all there at 8 a.m. on Mondays, and we review every new legal matter.
We are going to be acting as local counsel.
And then the exchange in the group setting with the rest of the firm, we're able to set a sound strategy.
That's at no charge to our clients.
What I do think is unusual is really the depth of the conversations that go on about each case.
What we try to do is to meet with the clients at the outset to really devise a strategy. But we try to let them know what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, what do we recommend that you do, and why do we recommend it?
Clients are continually advised of the status of cases and have an active role in managing the work that we do for them.
When I approach a case, I want them to know I'm fighting for them as much as a family member would fight for them.
So they understand our business very well, and they've taken the time not only for Chris and Mike, but for others in the organization to understand what Kindred does. We are the largest rehab care company in the country, if not the world. I would recommend Kenney Sams, not only because of the work that they've done for Kindred, but also the way that they've done the work.
When we're representing a client who's been sued, we have to put the shield up. We have to protect their interests. It may be their business, it may be their family or their home, or whatever the interest is. Our obligation is to protect that for them. Sometimes that means not just putting up the shield, but taking out the sword as well.
If it's that our client has been wronged and they come to us, come see us because we're going to attack for you. We're going to get you back to where you're supposed to be.
And they've done all their research, they've done all their homework. They put all the components together so that you and I and anybody can understand what you have to do. And I think that's the experience, the dedication, the commitment, and genuine interest in what we're doing. It's genuine. We train craftsmen, apprentices, safety directors. I would highly recommend Kenney Sams. And again, I want to reiterate that when you deal with Kenney Sams, you're dealing with individuals who really care about what they do. It's not just a job to them. They care about it, and it's genuine.
I got a card from one of the sisters later saying, we want you to know how much we appreciate it. We count you as a brother, and I'm sure our mother would count you as a son.
After the 9/11 terrorist attacks, we were engaged by an airport authority. We researched their property insurance policy and noted that it did have a business interruption provision, and they laughed at us. After having convinced ourselves that there was merit to the argument, although it was novel, it was meritorious, we filed a federal lawsuit. And after they retained counsel and we were in federal court, they weren't laughing anymore. The case moved quickly to a mediation with a federal judge, at which we were fortunate to secure $1 million for our client on what had been earlier claimed a frivolous claim.
That was a successful outcome for our clients who really had been placed in the thick of a gubernatorial campaign. My favorite part of the law is looking at a problem and coming at it from a different point of view to reach a solution for a client.
In the first 5 years, we've doubled in size, and we thank our clients for that. Our objective, however, is not to become a mega firm, ever. We enjoy the litigation boutique feeling we have here, and we'll want to maintain that.
We hope and plan that in 5 years from now, we'll be that established trial law firm. We like to think that people are getting to know us now.